โอ้ก็สวัสดีครับเรากลับมาแล้วนะครับกับโมลุกทีวีนะครับก็วันนี้ EP ที่277แล้วนะครับก็ผมขอพูดเป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะครับแล้วก็เวอร์ชันที่2ผมก็จะพูดเป็นภาษาไทยนะครับก็ถ้าเกิดว่าใครอยากจะดูคลิปย้อนหลังกดตรงนี้นะครับหรือตรงนี้แล้วก่อนที่จะให้ผมเริ่มคลิปนะครับก็อย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์และกด Subscribe ที่สำคัญอย่าลืมกดกระดิ่งด้วยนะครับก็วัน today guys we have the gun I don't know what it's called and you're going to have a magazine with number 6 okay and you're going to have 6 bullets okay when you have 6 bullets here 6 bullets and it doesn't have like this it's going to have some more yes there's some more going to be 2 more bullets okay I'm putting it in here 2 more magazine so you will see it's not equal each other look see this is 12 bullets this is 6 bullets and this is 18 okay and I have my milk too protein break okay and I'm going to have a bag with some more bullets in this bag and the thing I don't know what it's called dude what is this called what is this thing called and this thing we're going to have this thing and we can put the bullet in here and the volcano thing over here is the place where you can put the bullet and this one the thing one the long rope you can like put the magazine on the bullet in it okay and the bag with the bullets okay let's start the video let's start with this thing in case you put it like this if you put it in the wrong side look zoom in my up look it's going to be like this I'm going to let my camera zoom in okay and it's going to be number 6 with the arrow okay you need to put the thing with the arrows so like this and if you can't put some more you just do like this look push it and put some more see wait you put it put it okay you got it like this and you can put in the thing if you can't put it like this because the arrow said you need to put it like this so you put it like this but you still can put it you can't put it because if it can't do like this you need to like shoot it first see when you shoot it the thing stuck oh my gosh no sorry and you just do like this and then you're going to have a button you slide it and you do like this or put it out and you're going to have like this or you maybe put it in okay when you put it in you're going to got it you do like this and then you can shoot like this okay and the thing is I don't know and we can shoot someone okay I'm going to tell you some more magazine it's the same thing but it's longer it's the same thing but it's longer someone protein break okay we'll put this thing in here it's going to be little bit long oh yeah and then we can shoot it it's going to be a little bit long see shoot it through that, but it doesn't have any bullet in, so we take this. So we take this bullet out, and okay, so you need to subscribe our thing too, and thumbs up with our video, and you need to hit the bell too, okay? And you can watch another video, okay? Okay, for the next video, bye bye.